Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be just a quick little vlog, kind of sharing my design process and showing you guys how sometimes, when we're designing, things don't go as planned. And this is one of those videos where I designed these fun Halloween themed freestanding lace designs, and one of them was a disappointment. But also quickly, I wanted to mention I did post a video a couple weeks ago showing you how to work with these freestanding lace design files. In case you're interested, I'll link it up below. I'm basically going over what stabilizer you need to use and how you need to wash them and everything, and how you could turn them into earrings, ornaments. So yeah, I'll be linked down below. But anyways, back to this video. I designed these two cute like pumpkin Frankenstein designs, and the first one, the pumpkin, I think I think it turned out super cute. So that would be available on my shop in case you're interested. Again, it's a freestanding lace, so you will need to use the wash away stabilizer for it. Now, on to the second one, the Frankenstein. Okay, so this one, I feel like it was not that great. The stitching was not even, so I need to go and adjust that on the software. And also, I think it's missing the bow. I really like the bow on the pumpkin, so I'm just gonna like go back and redraw this on the embroidery software and even things out. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for coming along. And like I said, sometimes things don't turn out that well, but it's okay. We can start all over. It's fine. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.